Space is a strange and wonderful place. It is full of stars, planets, and galaxies. But did you know that space also has a smell? Astronauts who have been to space say it smells like burnt steak. This is a very strange thing to imagine. After all, there is no fire or meat in space. So, what is going on? How can space have a smell? The smell of space is caused by something called polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAHs. These are complex organic molecules that are formed in the vastness of space. PAHs are tiny particles that are made up of carbon and hydrogen. They are incredibly small, yet they play a significant role in the cosmic environment. These particles are found all over the universe. From the farthest reaches of the Milky Way to the closest nebula, PAHs are everywhere. They are created in the fiery explosions of dying stars. When a star reaches the end of its life, it explodes in a supernova, releasing these particles into space. When astronauts go on spacewalks, PAHs stick to their suits. These particles cling to the fabric of their spacesuits, hitching a ride back to the space station. When the astronauts come back inside, the PAHs heat up and release their smell. This unique scent is often described as a mix of hot metal, welding fumes, and even burnt steak, giving astronauts a sensory reminder of their time in the vacuum of space. The smell of PAHs, or polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, is often described as burnt steak or hot metal. These complex organic molecules are fascinating because they are not just limited to Earth. This is because PAHs are also found in things like grilled meat and car exhaust. When you grill meat, the high temperatures cause the formation of these molecules, giving that distinct aroma. So, the next time you smell a barbecue, you can imagine that you are smelling a little bit of space. It's a fun thought that the same molecules contributing to your delicious meal are also floating around in the cosmos. It is amazing to think that something that smells so familiar on Earth can also be found in the vastness of space. These PAHs are scattered throughout the universe, found in meteorites, comets, and even interstellar dust clouds. The universe is full of surprises, and sometimes they smell like a backyard barbecue. Section 4. More smells from space. When we think about space, we often imagine the vast emptiness, the twinkling stars, and the mysterious planets. But have you ever wondered what space smells like? PAHs, or polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, are not the only things that give space a unique smell. These complex molecules are found throughout the universe and contribute to the scent of space, but there's more to the story. Astronauts have also reported smelling other strange scents, like hot metal. Imagine floating in the vacuum of space and catching a whiff of something that reminds you of a welding shop or a heated engine. This distinctive smell is probably caused by the metal parts of the spacecraft heating up and cooling down as they are exposed to the extreme temperatures of space. The constant expansion and contraction of metal can release a scent that astronauts describe as metallic or even burnt. Then there's the smell of gunpowder. This intriguing scent is thought to be caused by the chemical reactions that happen when rocket fuel is burned. The combustion process releases a variety of compounds that can create a smell reminiscent of fireworks or a firing range. And interestingly, some astronauts have reported a sweet, boozy smell, similar to rum. This might come from a chemical called ethyl formate, which is found in both rum and raspberries. It's fascinating to think that a scent we associate with earthly pleasures can also be found in the cosmos. Ethyl formate is also found in the dust clouds where stars are born. These regions, filled with colorful gases and cosmic dust, are the nurseries of the universe. The presence of such a familiar scent in these star-forming regions adds another layer of wonder to the mysteries of space. Section 5. The final frontier. Space is a truly amazing place, full of wonder and mystery. It is incredible to think that even something as simple as a smell can tell us so much about the universe we live in. The next time you look up at the stars, remember that you are looking at a place that is full of amazing sights, sounds, and even smells. Section 6. Keep exploring. We are still learning so much about space. Every new discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. So, keep looking up at the stars and never stop asking questions. Who knows what amazing discoveries await us in the vast expanse of space?